Hi everyone. I had an idea of the staircase. I've been wanting to do something to this wall for a while, but we're going to be ripping out this staircase and putting in new steps, new spindles, new railing, all of that. Hopefully sometime this year. I have the treads bought and all that, but anyway, back to point. So what I decided to do was see how that is on, I don't know what it's called. I call it a kick plate, but I doubt that's what it's called, that sideboard. I've wanted to do one on this side, but I have no idea how to cut it and all that. Plus, like I said, all this is going to be ripped out. So what my plan is, I put this little piece of wood, I don't know what they're called, furring strip maybe, I don't know. And so I hung that, and my plan is to paint everything from the stair part to the wood and, you know, the piece of wood green, so it gives that illusion of being a board. So will it work and look right? I don't know, but I did all that today, and I'm just waiting for it to dry a little bit from where I'd washed it down from the spackling. And then I'm gonna paint it, and we will see. We will see if it looks the way I see it in my head. I still see a couple of spots I need to touch up. That's what's taken me so long today, is going dark paint, light paint, dark paint, light paint, because I kept touching, you know, I'd get white on the dark and dark on the white. So anyway, instead of just taping it off, I did it the hard way. So anyway, I still see some spots I probably need to get, but I mean, I think that looks pretty good, you know? It's supposed to look like that, you know? It's not that, but it's supposed to, just optical illusion of looking like that. And I think it turned out pretty good for just a crazy idea. Not, but yeah. So what do you think? Pretty good, I think. Pretty good. I wanted to let you guys know, this is the same handrail that was up there. It was stained like in a cherry wood stain. And I went through and I like scratched it up with some sandpaper and wiped it down. Then I painted it white, which I think there's a photo on my feed that shows that. But Brett and I, neither one liked it white. So first I tried like, all I had was shoe polish. So I went around, tried to put shoe polish on it, and I was like, no, that's not gonna work. So I had like some craft stain type stuff, and I rubbed that on there, and I was like, that's still. Then I got out the black craft paint and went over it, and all of them mixed together was a lot better. But then I had gotten some normal stain from my dad that was like stain and poly together, and so I went over it with that. So there's like 4 or 5 different coats of stuff on this handrail, but I'll be gosh dang if it doesn't look like wood. I mean, it is wood, but underneath there is just that cherry stain that was on here, and it looks like stripped down wood, and it's not. That's all just fake painting, you know, like layer after layer of different things until it come out looking like that. So I am quite happy with that, because when I replace the stairs, I don't really want to get rid of the handrail because they're too expensive. So I may strip it down, I may keep it like this, I don't know.